So next topic is controlling and posting period, right? So as I had said, like controlling and posting period is the part of FI, right? So basically, what is controlling? If we search, I'll see. If we search the definition part here, you'll get the answer. So basically, controlling controls all the operation which will taking place within the SAP, right? So like in a computer, like what will be the roles of CPU? In that way, the controlling is working. So in SAP controlling is the management accounting module used to internal reporting and decision making, focus on the cost analysis, planning, profit analysis. So this is a part of the FI, right? Which what I can say, it will control all the operation, right? What is the business operation will taking place in terms of accounting and all, right? So it will control by the controlling part, right? And controlling is a separate module as well, right? It takes almost 8 to 10 classes, right? But we will not go for that, but we just do the configuration as much required for us. Got it, Punita? Punita, got it?
Yeah, yeah. It was
So to do the configuration, what we have to do, we have to go for the SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then you have to go for the controlling, and then go for the general controlling, right? So here we will do the configuration of controlling, right? So here what we have to define, first we have to define the controlling area, then number ranges for the each controlling area. See, if you'll ask me like what is the definition of a controlling area, I don't know also, right? So many fields will do the configuration because and there is a logic, right? So to do the configuration we have to create those parts, so you have to just remember. So do the configuration, what are the thing we are going to do, right? So yes, somehow ki what is number range, if you will ask, number range means what? Number means it indicates to like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers, right? Ranges means what? Let example, a number is started with 1 and it ends with 1000, right? It is called as a range, right? There will be a start number, there will be a end number, right? So what we will listen, right? Number range word will repeatedly use, right? For during the material creation, vendor creation, in that time also we will use the number ranges. What is the significance of number ranges? Let example, I will assign a number to a document, right? So what will indicate? So let example, see, we all people are recognized by name, right? We are identified by name, right? But in SAP all the documents are identified by the number, right? So let example, I will save a document, that the document when we will save, there will be a number will generate, right? So let example, I will assign a number range to a document 100 to, let example, 2000, right? So that means what? When I will save a document, the document first number will be 100. Then when I will save another document, the number will generate as 101, then 103, then 104. It will go up to like 2000. Got it, Punita?
yes, yes.
So how to do the configuration? Let me log in first.
What document? I don't understand. What document?
Many document type, like here we are creating the controlling, right? In future we will create the like material, then vendor, then purchase order, purchase requisition. There were
No,
everything in
the
document.
number range is just 1 to 1,000. Um,
What do you ask?
so be wondering
Your voice is not coming actually.
1,000 documents. We can provide the number range guide.
Okay, leave that. I just make you understood now. In classes, you will understood the thing better, right? So now
Hmm.
we will doing the controlling, so we will focus on the controlling, right? So for having some issue. Okay, we'll go with this or otherwise. Okay. For the controlling, what you have to do, you have to go for the SPRO screen, then SAP reference IMG, then here you will find controlling, right? It will be in the outside, not enterprise structure, right? So you will find the controlling. In controlling, you have to go for the general controlling here. Within
So
general
it's
controlling,
usually done by the FICO department.
yes, yes, that will be part of the FICU. Yes. So here you have to go for the organization, then you have to go for the maintain controlling area here, right? So click on execute. So here what you have to do, just go for the maintain controlling area here, middle one. So go for the
Sorry,
maintain
can you
controlling.
please show me once again? Uh, Back.
Yes, controlling, then general controlling,
Organization.
organization, then maintain controlling area. Got it? Okay. Click on execute, go for the maintain controlling area. So then you will find like this, right? So here we will define our own controlling area. So go for the new entry. So here what you have to do, you have to give the controlling area, right? So here there is something is mentioned controlling area equal to company code. That means whatever the company code you have defined, you have to give the same name as your controlling area, right? So we have created our own company code. So what was it that? LX. LAXM, right? So here we did not find any match because we are creating the very first time. That's why the message is coming like this, right? So just give the description here. This is me controlling area, right? Then person responsible, who is the person who is responsible for the controlling area? Here you have to give the like his user ID, right? But it is yeah. What are you asking? Hello.
You want us to, yeah, you want us to work parallelly.
I think you just you are working currently.
No, I'm asking you.
No, 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 no. You just listen and I will share the recording, right? You can go through that. It will be fine. Yeah.
Okay, I missed it.
And do you have the internet issue or I have the internet issue?
I
Because
also
your
have
voice
it.
is.
I also have the issue. That is why it is taking.
Otherwise, do one thing. You can leave once,
Not
then
access the
join again.
server.
You just
It
leave
is.
once, then join again, if possible.
Sorry.
You can leave once from the meeting and then join again. Oh, now audible? Okay. So we'll give the controlling area name same as the company code. Then we'll give the description, right? Then in person responsible here you have to put the username who is person responsible for the controlling area. But it is optional field, so I am not entering. Then assignment of controlling area. So here you will find the drop down option. Here you have to choose as the controlling area same as the company code, right? First option you have to choose. Then currency setting you just click here and then go for the option. So here you will find the option like 10 company code currency, right? So when you will choose this one currency type, right? So you will find currency, it will come automatically, chart of account will come automatically, financial year variant will come automatically, right? In ACC it is coming like this. Maybe in a HANA system there may be certain other field will come here, right? Then here put the standard hierarchy area. So hierarchy area always be the company code. So you have to put the company code here, right? So then click enter, then click on yes, then save it. So what are the field we have entered here? In this screen, I just give the controlling area same as company code, then description. Then I have choose from the option controlling area same as the company code. Then from the drop down, I have choose the currency type will be 10. Then I will find like currency, chart of account, financial year variant will come automatically, and standard hierarchy area we have to keep the our company code. That means you have, if you have not created the enterprise structure, you cannot create the controlling part. Got it? So once
Ajit,
it
can
is,
you hear me?
yeah, yeah, yes, tell me. Hello, hello, hello. So then we have to do? Then we have to go for the assignment of company code, right? So controlling area we have defined, then we have to assign to our company code, right?
Ajit, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Um, s- Hear me
Punita,
now?
Punita, you if you are having any doubt, na, you can ask me through or like end of the session if possible, because your voice is not coming, right? Okay, ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କରିଦେଉଛି. So we'll go for the assignment of company code. So go for the assignment of company code. Then you will find like this, right? So then just go for the new entry. Then put your company code. So our company code we have defined as LAXF. So it is fine. Then click enter. Then click on save. Right? Done. Now the controlling area assigned to our company code. So now what you have to do? Just select the line item. Then go for the active components with control indicators. So double click here. Then you will find like this. Then go for the new entry. So in new entry, so you will find like this. So here what you have to put, you have to put the financial year variant is as a 2025. So current year 2025, so put here, then click enter. Then here the fields which is not active, you just have to make it active. Right? Component not active যেটা আছে, just go for the component active. And this one is in the display mode, so you cannot change that. So go for the last one, component active for the parallel calculation, right? You just active the fields, then you just select the checkbox here mentioned. See, no one will ask you like why we are doing this one. No one will ask you, right? This is a part of the FI. So you just follow the steps how to do, then click enter, then click on save. Punita, you are watching the video, right? Okay, so this much is the configuration for the controlling, right? Controlling area. So I just repeat once again what I did in this step, right? So first I just came to the maintain controlling area, right? Maintain controlling area. Then I go to the like new entry. In new entry, I have given the controlling area same as the company code whatever you have defined, right? Then description. Then here you have to choose the controlling area same as the company code. Then from the drop down you have to choose the currency type will be 10, right? So then currency valuation proof this will come automatically. You just put the standard hierarchy area as your company code, then save this one. Then after you have to assign to the company code. When you will click on the company code, you will find a like a blank screen. Then you have to go for the new enter to put your company code. Once it is done, then save this one. Then you have to click on the activate components. In activate components, what do you did? Like you have to activate all the components financial year you have to give, then you have to select all the checkbox. This much is the configuration for the controlling area. But sometimes what will happen, let example when you will create the controlling area, you will choose the currency type is 10, right? So the thing will not come automatically. So currency and chart of account will not come automatically. So in that case what will happen, so there will be some other backend configuration which you have to do, right? So what are the thing we'll explain later, right? But now first step is completed, right? After controlling area, so here what we have to do, we have to create the maintain number ranges for the controlling document, right? Controlling area we have defined, then number ranges for the controlling document. So click on execute. So here put the controlling area. So now we have defined the controlling area as LAXM. So click enter. Then after you have to go for the groups. So click on the groups. This one editable mode, right? This is the edit option. This one. Then after you have to click on the create option. Here you will find the create option. You have to go for the create option. Then give the group name. So here let us this is the Lakshmi controlling numbers range. You can give any description, there will be no issue, right? So then put the number range. So in a real time, how the number range is we are creating. So let the number is starting from 011, this one, right? So number range is always a big number, because so that the document will not end within the 1 year or 2 year, like it will exist for the long period of time. So end with the document like this, right? So then select the line item. So here select the line item, then click on save, right? It is done. So 01, so see, in a number range there is four thing. One is a number means it is the identification number, right? So to identify this range, this number is given number, right? From number and to number, the number range is starting from this number and to number is this one. That means when I will save the document, first the number will generate like this, then at the end one, then two, three, like this up to Puninda. Are you saying anything? Not audible. So NR status. NR status means what? When you will create, let example, five numbers, five document we have created. So NR status will be come as the 00001 and it will last to five over, right? So it will be the NR status like this. So let example the number range is one to let example number started with 100 and end with this is a two number, right? So let example we have created five document. That means first document number one, this one, then second document 101, then 102, like 103, this type of the document will create. So NR status will show after the five document, it will be 104, because five document we have created. And there is the another option, external number. External number means what? When we will create the number like document, right? So one thing is the number will come automatically, right? Second option is the number you have to put manually. Let example, I will create a document, I have to put the number manually, right? So how it will happen, we'll do in different classes, right? When we will create the material master, vendor master, we will better understood the what is number and how it will come, right? But it is a FI document. So when we will save the FI document, we're not saving any FI document, we'll post a document in the there will be a FI document we'll create. So we cannot see right now, but in future it is required. So we have created the number. So now what you have to do, just go back. Then here you will find the option COIN. This is COIN. So here what you have to do, just select this one, then click on the element group. Element group. So here you will find the number range you have created, 01 or Lakshmi controlling number range. I just click on the 01, then click on continue. Once you will click on continue, so the COIN will remove from here and it will come to the bottom. That means the number is assigned to the COIN, right? Then just click on save, right? So this much is the configuration for the controlling part, right? Where we have defined the controlling area, then number ranges for the each controlling area. Got it?